Exercise 38. It's an exercise that contains quadratic motion of a particle. We were given a quadratic function, h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 48t plus 64. This equation, which is also seen as a function, gives the height of an object above the ground, h in feet, t seconds after it is launched from a platform. So basically we have the height of the object in terms of time. How many seconds after it is launched does the object reach the ground? If we were to do it by hand, we should have thought that reaching the ground means that the height is 0. So obviously we would be looking for the value of t when h is 0. But now, since we are allowed to also use Desmos, and this involves a graphic design, then we'll go directly to it. Let me go to Desmos. Let me minimize it so that we can actually see everything. So I'm going to write negative 16x squared. Remember that Desmos only understands x as the unknown, plus 48x plus 64. Let's take myself from here, and let's see that we are looking for the x-intercepts, so it should be this one. Clearly, from Desmos, we can see that it will reach the ground after 4 seconds. How many seconds? After 4. The right answer here would have been 4.